Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. The Father's Day is coming soon. Would you prepare for your old man? If I have nothing prepared, I have a plan for you. So follow this tutorial. I'm teaching you how to make your old man happy. Let's make a family reunion great again. Today we are going to dive in Vmake Labs. Vmake Labs is quite crazy AI platform. This is a unified AI platform, and Vmake Labs has a lot of functionalities. Let me introduce one by another. So first, you can harness these features. So basically, there are 4 different categories. So first is UGC video. Especially for the small business runner, you can use this to turn your products into a social video, make ads. You don't need to hire people to make ads for you. And also you can make a hawk video, something that's quite attractive for users. And for the video section, you got a video watermark remover, which is quite useful, If you edit your family reunion videos but with watermark, you can use this to remove the watermark. And also video enhancer. If the quality is not satisfying, you can use it to improve the quality of your video, and so many more. And for the image, also you got watermark remover and image enhancer, AI image generator, and AI thumbnail maker. I think thumbnail maker is perfect for me because I am a YouTuber. But for you, for this Father's Day, I highly recommend you to try Vmake Labs. So first you got AI image enhancer, enhance image quality in one click. So basically just upload your image from here, and then you can get a better quality. So let's try it out. Let's click to get started. Yeah, now we are here. Photo restoration of Vmake Labs. This is a shortcut. You can directly copy the link. So photo restoration is a very cool tool. You can convert your family old photos. For example, convert the old photo into a colored one, vivid one. So for example, let's use this old photo as an example. Imagine this is an old photo of your mother or father. In the coming Father's Day or Mother's Day, you restore the color of the old photo and make a nice frame and send them as a gift. That will be really touching moment for them, right? In fact, you can find a lot of the restoration AI tools nowadays. If you type the keywords, oh, by the way, Vmake is on top. So you can repair your father and mother's wedding photo and hang it in the hallway. That will be a really nice gift, right? You can choose by general, by the size, or you can choose by the scene. So now in scene, you got a portrait, portrait pro, old photo, and the project. I think it belongs to old photo. And you can zoom in, zoom out, and you can drag it around to check the details. And once you conform it, you can click here, apply. Let's click here. Oh my God, this lady is alive now. So you can zoom in. You can feel the beauty through decades ago, right? This is so nice. And you can actually click here to download this photo. Imagine this is your dad or this is your mom, and you can directly point it out. This vivid old photo. Wow, check out the size, man. The details are so crazy. Alright, I just found some photos of mine from ages ago. Okay, if you want to impress your grandpa or grandma, maybe you can start with a black and white photo, right? But I don't have any. Let's search in Unsplash. They are all license-free images from Unsplash. Let's download this image first. See, I don't have your family photo, but imagine this. If you have something like that, you can totally enhance the quality. Father's Day is coming, so make sure your father get one of these gifts. Okay, now let's go back and click upload now. Okay, this belongs to this category, old photo, and let's click apply. Oh, it's so sweet, right? The color is so vivid. It's not feels like AI did this, right? Let's download this image. You know what? I cannot stop. Let's upload one of my old photo, okay? I know you guys have been curious. Yeah, this one's from my childhood. I'm like 12 at that time. And let's try to see if I can restore every color of this photo. Oh my god, this is me from my childhood. I don't know what to say. I mean, I recognize this clothes. The color is just like that, and I was that handsome back that days. We have the same hairstyle right now, right? And you can download this image, and you know, in Vmake Labs you have many tools. You can even animate this old photo, right? Alright, let's try another one. This photo is also very old. I think I'm like 11 or something like that. Back that day, my mom gave me some money, and I decided to take a photo in the, you know, how to say it, Photoshop, and I spent like $6 to take this photo. Let's click apply. I want to restore some colors. Yes, I just generated another old photos of mine. Looks good, right? Ooh, the result is amazing. I never saw this photo of mine with a color. Let's download it quickly. And you know, you can animate it by Vmake Labs. I really enjoy those kind of AI that has sense of the warmness, right? And when you click this button, you can compare the old and the new one. Alright, we already generated this photo. You can check the difference. This is huge, right? In fact, you can use this functionality to scale this photo to 8K or 16K. Let's try this highest resolution, and let's click apply. Yeah, now we'll enhance this photo by 16K. Can you believe that? Check out the difference. And you can zoom in. Yeah, you can see the difference, right? So it's not changed everything. You still got the old photo vibe. You still got the old colors, but the resolution is quite different. You can click here to download this large image. Yeah, what you're waiting for? Just searching for your old photos and make a restoration by Vmake Labs. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so much for today. Don't forget to check the YouTube link in the description, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.